Hi guys, it's Marina, it's me, it's Mars, it's that girl. I'm back with another video. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So, I am priming my eyelids. I just use a concealer, it's not even that serious. Just using a concealer, using my hands and my fingers to just conceal the the eyelids. Okay, anyways, Sipping Pretty eyeshadow palette by Kylie Jenner. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow palette we're using today. So I'm just taking this orange shade from the palette and kind of just blending it out. Of course the tape is going to help us because it's our safe space. It's our safe space. So using the tape and this windshield wiper motions, I'm just taking this color and just taking it across the outer corners and kind of in a little bit, not all the way in, but just a little bit in. All right. So I'm taking this darker shade and with a pencil brush and just kind of applying it on the outer corners as well, and then taking a regular fluffy brush, and just smoking it out, just kind of blending it out. We want it blended. So just taking the time to blend it out is kind of your key thing. It's your secret weapon, is time. So take the time blending it out. And then I took this white, it's the lightest shade in the palette, and using it as a transition shade to just blend it all out smoothly. Now I'm taking the shimmer shade and putting it on top of the lids. So this is what we're working with. I can't even talk. This is what we're working with. I'm awful at voiceovers. I don't know if I said that before, but yeah, I am. So anyways, for the liner, I'm using Inglot Gel Liner in 77. And just bringing it all the way out to where that tape ended. We want a bold look. So we're going for bold, bold look is the way. It's not clean girl makeup, but it's the way. Then I just put on some lashes, and for the foundation, I'm using the One Size Turn Up the Base BB cream. I'm using the Morphe foundation brush to just blend it all out. Yeah, definitely take the time to blend because this is a process that you want to trust. So and then I'm using this Lancome concealer, and with the little Pawpaw mini sponge, you wet it a little bit and you want it damp, and then I just blend it all out. Then the Kimchi loose powder foundation in just translucent. This is just a translucent shade. Just setting everything and setting the powder and the concealer and the foundation. Just setting everything. Alright, so now I'm going in with the LYS bronzing stick in Harmony. I kind of messed up a lot, but I kind of made it work. I don't know how, it just happens. It's giving clown, but it's not. You know what I mean? When everything is blended out, it looks put together, anyways, yeah, it's a process. It's a process. So this is the Urban Decay eyeliner. Just taking that, waterlining my eyes, to give it a little bit of a more smoky effect. And the Rare Beauty, of course, blush and Hope. Then the Kimchi lipstick. It's my favorite nude lipstick in Honey Buns. I absolutely love it. I just take it all over my lips. It's not even that serious. I don't use lip liner or lip gloss. It's just that. And then the One Size setting spray that I used to set my face. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys love this look. And never forget, as always, You are that girl. Signing off.